If you're a Toyota fan or just love seeing where the automotive world is headed, buckle up, because the next few years are about to get seriously exciting. Toyota, one of the most trusted and innovative automakers in the world, is preparing to roll out a wave of all-new models that promise to redefine reliability, push design boundaries, and bring cutting-edge tech and electrification to drivers everywhere. From rugged off-road beasts to sleek urban crossovers and luxury flagships that rival the best, Toyota's 2025 and 2026 lineup has something for everyone. In this video, we're diving deep into 15 brand new Toyota models on the horizon, cars and SUVs that could completely change how we see the brand. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, hit that like button, and let's explore what Toyota has in store for us. 1. Toyota Corolla Cross. Let's kick things off with the Toyota Corolla Cross, a name that's become increasingly popular for drivers who want something bigger than a Corolla sedan but smaller and more city-friendly than a RAV4. For 2025, the Corolla Cross is getting a refresh that aims to make it even more appealing. Think updated exterior styling with bolder lines, a slightly more aggressive front fascia, and new wheel designs that give it a sportier edge. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to enhance the hybrid version, delivering better fuel economy and a smoother drive. Inside, you'll find Toyota's latest infotainment system, more intuitive controls, and a suite of driver assist features that make urban commuting safer and less stressful. The Corolla Cross has quietly become a global favorite, and this update shows Toyota knows exactly how to keep that momentum going. 2. Toyota RAV4. Next up is the Toyota RAV4, which hardly needs an introduction. This compact SUV is consistently among Toyota's top sellers, and for good reason. It balances versatility, fuel economy, and value like few others can. The 2025 RAV4 promises to raise the bar once again. Expect a sharper, more rugged design inspired by the larger Highlander and Sequoia, along with a more upscale cabin that feels closer to premium than ever before. Toyota is rumored to be enhancing the plug-in hybrid version, likely improving its electric-only range so daily commutes can be done without burning a drop of fuel. Drivers will also see improvements in ride quality and handling, thanks to tweaks to the suspension and steering. All in all, the RAV4 continues to be the SUV that does it all, only now it does it better. 3. Toyota Corolla. And then there's the timeless Corolla. For decades, the Corolla has defined reliability and affordability, becoming one of the world's best-selling cars. So what's next for this beloved compact? The next generation Corolla is set to push beyond its reputation for practicality by adding a dose of style and smart tech. Expect sleeker, sportier lines, a redesigned grille, and sharper headlights that give it a more premium look. Under the hood, Toyota is likely to offer more fuel-efficient hybrid variants to appeal to eco-conscious drivers. Inside, the focus will be on connectivity, bigger screens, wireless smartphone integration, and smarter driver assist features that help keep drivers safe and relaxed behind the wheel. For millions of people, the Corolla is more than just a car, it's a trusty companion, and this next version ensures that story continues. 4. Toyota Baby Land Cruiser. Now, let's shift gears to something rugged, the rumored Baby Land Cruiser. While the Land Cruiser name conjures images of massive, go-anywhere SUVs, Toyota is working on a smaller version that captures that same adventurous spirit in a more compact, urban-friendly package. The Baby Land Cruiser will likely borrow design cues from its larger sibling, boxy proportions, high ground clearance, and tough bumpers. But under the hood, expect a fuel-efficient turbocharged engine or hybrid setup, balancing off-road capability with everyday usability. This little beast could be the answer for young adventurers who want a vehicle that's easy to park in the city but ready to tackle weekend trails without breaking a sweat. If Toyota gets this right, the Baby Land Cruiser could become an instant classic for a new generation. 5. Toyota Camry. Few sedans have the legacy of the Toyota Camry, and for 2025, this icon is ready for a bold reinvention. The next-gen Camry is rumored to embrace a sportier design, with a sleeker silhouette, a more aggressive front end, and even a coupe-like roofline that gives it a modern edge. Under the skin, the hybrid powertrain will be improved for more power and better fuel efficiency, ensuring the Camry stays ahead in an increasingly electrified world. Inside, expect higher quality materials, larger screens, and an emphasis on comfort, all to keep it feeling like the king of mid-size sedans. In a world that's leaning toward SUVs, the Camry proves there's still plenty of life left in a well-made stylish sedan. 6. Toyota Grand Highlander. Families, this one's for you. The Toyota Grand Highlander is designed to take everything people love about the Highlander and make it, well, grander. With a longer wheelbase, the Grand Highlander offers truly adult-friendly third-row seating. No more squeezing kids or gear into tight spaces. The interior feels airy and upscale, with Toyota's latest tech, multiple USB ports, and thoughtful storage solutions everywhere you look. Power comes from hybrid options that balance muscle with impressive fuel economy, while the safety suite includes Toyota's newest driver assist features for extra peace of mind on long road trips. For big families who need big space but don't want to compromise on style or efficiency, the Grand Highlander is a dream come true. 7. Toyota Fortuner. The Fortuner might not be as familiar to some viewers, but in many parts of the world, this SUV is beloved for its ruggedness and versatility. The upcoming Fortuner redesign is all about modernizing without losing its adventurous DNA. Expect tougher looks, squared-off edges, bold LED lighting, and a more muscular stance. Underneath, there will be upgraded off-road tech like improved traction systems, multi-terrain modes, and better ground clearance for tackling rough trails. Inside, the Fortuner is moving upmarket with plusher seats, improved infotainment, and a quieter cabin that makes long journeys more enjoyable. For drivers who want an SUV that can handle daily commutes and serious off-roading, the new Fortuner hits the sweet spot. 8. Toyota Crown. The Toyota Crown has always marched to its own beat, a sedan that blends premium style with the practicality Toyota is known for. The upcoming Crown takes that unique formula and pushes it even further. Imagine a sleek, almost coupe-like silhouette paired with SUV-like ride height, giving drivers the best of both worlds. Inside, the cabin feels distinctly upscale. Think soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and next-level comfort. The powertrain will lean heavily on hybrid tech, ensuring impressive efficiency without sacrificing performance. For those who want something different, not quite a traditional sedan, not quite an SUV, the new Crown stands out as an elegant, head-turning option. 9. Toyota Highlander. While the Grand Highlander gets the headlines for its size, the standard Highlander remains one of Toyota's top family haulers, and it's about to get even better. The refreshed Highlander will feature subtle design tweaks to keep it fresh, including a more modern grille, updated lighting, and refined wheel choices. Inside, expect improved materials, more digital real estate with larger screens, and upgrades to the hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. Families who want a trusted, spacious SUV that sips fuel and looks good doing it will find plenty to love in the new Highlander. 10. Toyota HiLux. No list of Toyota icons is complete without the HiLux, a pickup so tough it's become legendary around the world. For 2025, the HiLux will get a significant upgrade that makes it even more capable. Expect a more powerful turbo diesel engine, smoother suspension for better on-road comfort, and the latest off-road gear for conquering the roughest terrain. Inside, the HiLux is stepping up too, with a cleaner, more modern cabin, larger screens, and practical storage that makes it a true workhorse. Whether you're hauling gear for work or heading off on a camping adventure, the new HiLux is built to handle it all. 11. Toyota HiLux GR Sport. If you think the standard HiLux is tough, wait until you see the HiLux GR Sport. Toyota's performance arm Gazoo Racing has been sprinkling its magic on the HiLux, transforming this already legendary pickup into a more aggressive, more capable, and more exciting off-roader. The GR Sport version packs special suspension tuning, beefed-up shocks, sportier bodywork, and unique badging that sets it apart from the standard workhorse. Inside, you'll find sport seats, contrast stitching, and subtle design touches that remind you this isn't just a truck for hauling tools. It's made to tear through sand dunes and rocky trails while putting a grin on your face. For adventurous drivers who want the ruggedness of a HiLux with a side of adrenaline, the GR Sport is the one to watch. 12. Toyota GR Supra. Switching gears, literally, to pure sports car territory, let's talk about the GR Supra. This iconic nameplate roared back to life a few years ago, and Toyota isn't letting it stagnate. The upcoming GR Supra promises subtle yet meaningful refinements. Expect sharper, more aerodynamic styling tweaks, slight power bumps that make the turbocharged engine even more thrilling, and handling improvements that keep it glued to the road. Enthusiasts will appreciate rumors of a manual transmission sticking around, plus lightweight wheels and stickier tires for track days. Inside, the Supra will continue to blend driver-focused controls with modern tech and premium touches. It's a reminder that Toyota isn't just about sensible sedans and hybrids, it can still build cars that stir the soul. 13. Toyota Century SUV. Speaking of soul, let's step into the world of ultra-luxury. Meet the Toyota Century SUV. If you're not familiar, the Century is Toyota's top-tier limousine, traditionally reserved for Japanese royalty and dignitaries. Now, Toyota is translating that legendary refinement into an SUV format for the modern age. Imagine an exterior that's understated yet majestic, with elegant lines, massive rear doors, and subtle chrome accents. Inside, the Century SUV promises the ultimate passenger experience: hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, reclining rear seats with massage functions, and perhaps even curtains for total privacy. The ride will be whisper quiet, thanks to a hybrid or electric powertrain that glides along with minimal fuss. For those who want Lexus-level opulence but crave the discreet prestige of the Century badge, this SUV could be the pinnacle of Toyota luxury. 14. Toyota CHR. For something funky and youthful, the Toyota CHR is making a big comeback. The next generation CHR embraces an even bolder design language, with dramatic angles, sculpted surfaces, and a coupe-like roofline that turns heads on city streets. It's compact and nimble, perfect for urban driving, yet inside it packs Toyota's newest infotainment system and more premium materials than ever before. The big news is under the hood. The new CHR leans fully into hybrid power, with an efficient yet zippy drivetrain that balances fun with fuel savings. Add in advanced safety tech and vibrant color options, and the CHR stands out as a stylish statement for younger buyers who want to stand apart from the SUV crowd. 15. Toyota Land Cruiser. Finally, we wrap up with a true legend, the Toyota Land Cruiser. After taking a short break in some markets, the Land Cruiser is roaring back with a fresh mission, staying true to its off-road heritage while stepping into the electrified future. The new model keeps the rugged, boxy design that fans love, but with modern touches like sleek LED headlights, a tougher grille, and improved underbody protection. Toyota is also introducing electrified options, possibly a hybrid or even plug-in hybrid, to deliver lower emissions without sacrificing capability. Inside, the cabin is far from Spartan. Expect durable yet premium materials, an intuitive layout, and the latest tech to make long journeys more comfortable. For many, the Land Cruiser is the ultimate adventure companion, and this rebirth ensures it's ready to tackle the trails for decades to come. So, there you have it, 15 all-new Toyota models coming in 2025 and 2026 that prove Toyota isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's setting the pace. From redesigned classics like the Corolla and Camry to rugged warriors like the Fortuner and HiLux, and luxury statements like the Century SUV, Toyota's next chapter is all about giving drivers more choice, more innovation, and more excitement behind the wheel. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Here's to an exciting future for Toyota, and for all of us who love the open road. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and stay curious.